Well, hello again, Internet. Corinne here, and you're watching Corinne versus Yo Mama. Today is Mother's Day, and don't we just love our mamas? Actually, I bet most of your moms don't even know you watch this show. You'd probably get in trouble. Hashtag always demonetized. Now, I may not be a mother in the traditional sense, but I consider a lot of you out there like my YouTube children. And I thought to myself, what would a mom truly want for Mother's Day? And no, it's not that crappy handmade jewelry you're about to give her. Most likely, she just wants to sleep and wake up to a clean house. But I think the next best thing is a bouquet of vodka roses. I really look at this as a gift that keeps on giving, because hopefully your mom can't finish off a whole bouquet of vodka roses in one sitting. Or maybe she can, and she probably also needs some therapy. Yes, I got my best mom jacket on, so let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I wanted to keep this project super simple because you might be sitting there on Mother's Day holding your crappy handmade jewelry thinking to yourself, damn, I should have made Ma some vodka roses. Well, you still have time, because all you need to do is get yourself a vase or a vase if you're a dick. Look, I am your mother. Is that how it goes? You'll also need some fake roses. I chose these ones because they're nice and long and thick. Everyone likes a thick bitch. Doesn't that smell delicious? A little note about the color here. I generally wouldn't give my mom red roses because I think red is the color that you're supposed to give your lover. And that's just weird. That's some Freudian shit right there. But these were the best ones I could find for the project, so we're sticking with it. Next, you'll need your hot glue gun. Pew, pew, to all the haters out there. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, you'll need some mini vodka bottles. Now, if you're under 21, this might be hard for you to procure, but all you gotta do is wait outside a liquor store for someone who looks 21 to buy you some vodka, and just give them an extra 20 bucks, and boom, you got yourself some vodka. That's what I used to do. And lastly, you'll need some mixers. Now, I went for the yellow edition Red Bull because it says it has the taste of tropical fruit. I really wanted to give Mom the vision of that tropical vacation she was never able to take because she gave birth to your dumbass. And all the sex she used to have with your dad, because that doesn't happen anymore. You ruined everything. Okay, step one is you take your roses and you want to deflower the inside. Kind of like how your dad deflowered your ma. Wait, you don't like to think about your dad having sex with your ma? Well, it happened. Or, she just went to a sperm bank and shot you right in there. That's okay too. Shout out to all the single moms out there, by the way. You're killing it. Tell your mom thank you for once. And no, she doesn't want that certificate for a free 5-minute massage from you. Okay, that's just weird. Okay, see this part? We're just gonna nip that right off. Boom, deflowered. While I'm waiting for my hot glue gun to warm up, I'm gonna list all the reasons why I'm choosing not to have children. Climate change, overpopulation, Donald Trump, vaginal reconstruction surgery, poop, lots and lots of poop everywhere. I wanna travel to Italy. I like cats better. I'm selfish. Math homework. How do you even do math anymore? Okay, I think this is just about hot enough. Next thing we're gonna do is just put some hot glue right in our styrofoam center and stick the vodka bottle right in there. Yeah, pearls of wisdom today, kids. Then you just put the flower petals back up over it and you have yourself a vodka rose, ladies and gentlemen. Your mom is just gonna be so impressed with your DIY skills. Please don't tell your parents where you learned this. Jimmy, where'd you get that vodka from? Oh, I just gave 20 bucks to the homeless dude that hangs outside of the ABC. Totally cool. Yeah, and we just do this 11 more times. You could also fill the roses with other things your mom likes, like maybe some bath bombs, because she would probably love a nice long bath, or maybe some other types of buds. I like to mix up the vodkas to keep it interesting. Smirnoff, more like Smirnon. What? This is the most beautiful rose I've ever seen. I think this could be my crowning DIY achievement. My mom would be so proud. Yes, thank you, thank you. I would like to thank my mother, who always told me to reach for the stars. A note on the vodka, the plastic bottles work a lot better than the glass bottles because they're lighter. Actually, this may really work in your favor. You get her drunk enough and she may raise your allowance. Fuck an edible arrangement. Vodka roses is where it's at. And we keep wondering why all of our videos are demonetized. I think we may have our answer, folks. Some flowers are harder to deflower than others. Just gotta force your way in. JK, consent is very important, kids. Also, make sure to wear a condom, or you might be getting yourself some vodka roses next year. It really is a thing of beauty, isn't it? All right, this is the last one, and they look amazing. Really shows you care. See how they look in here. Oh, these might just be a little too tall, I think. You might have to cut down the roses just a tad. Just arranging the flowers here. It's very meditative. Yes, darling. Gorgeous. This is the hardest freaking part. How beautiful. Isn't it glorious? Good work, kids. Now, before we give Mom our vodka roses, we're gonna have to fill the base with our mixers and some ice. This way, she doesn't have to leave the couch or stop watching Netflix. It's her day, y'all. It'll be kind of like she's at the clubby club. Yeah, you know, one of those fun things she used to do before you were born. I'll be right back with some ice. Looking good. Put your flowers right back in there. If you're in the business. Wow, this may be my greatest DIY achievement yet. I owe it all to you, Ma. This is actually my mom, about a week before I was born. Little baby Corinne, right in there. She looks thrilled, doesn't she? I love you, Mom. Miss you every day. I'll pour out a vodka rose for you. Shout out to all the people out there who don't have moms, and this holiday might be a little hard for you. I feel ya. That's why I drink vodka roses. Therapy for everyone. You get some therapy, and you get some therapy, and you get some therapy. Well, I think that just about does it for this video. A huge shout out to all the moms out there who are raising some ungrateful ass kids. Have a vodka rose on me. As always, make sure to subscribe, like up this video, and I'll see you later.